Yes. To begin with, this is the home screen of the Zoom app. What are we trying to do here? We're trying to show how a Zoom meeting recording on the cloud can directly go and sit in the club YouTube channel, whichever you've configured for your club meetings, without you personally or manually downloading and uploading it. So you don't have to download the recordings from the Zoom cloud and then upload it to YouTube anymore. However big the size is, of course, definitely takes time, but you don't have to do anything manually. It is all taken care of through the configuration that I'm going to show you all in this video. So let's begin with the chat icon here. You see the apps over here. I'm going to go into the add an app icon and click on it. It opens the Zoom marketplace. I have categories over here, as you can see, and I have works with which element or feature of the Zoom meetings. I don't need Zoom chat, so I'm just going to click it off. It gets refreshed. I go back and click on Zoom meetings and recordings. So all the apps which are related to Zoom recordings, which can be seamlessly saved onto any of the different servers, is given over here. But as you all know, we are very well acquainted with YouTube and would want to use only that. I'm going to click on YouTube for Zoom. Now as you can see here, I need to install this. So for that I need to pre-approve this. This takes a few minutes. So it's asking me, allow all users on the account with the required permissions to install this app. Well, yes, because I'm not the only one who's going to be using this account. Anybody who uses this account and hosts it from their desktop can easily, I'm giving them the permission to install YouTube for Zoom on there. So I'm installing it here now. See, I need to authorize. Okay, this is very important step. Now authorize Plain to access your YouTube account. Yes. So you can see here, this is my YouTube account and I'm allowing it. Okay, your Zoom account is now successfully linked to your YouTube account. So I'm just closing it. You get immediately a mail saying that you've given an access. Is it you who's given an access? Those are all the security ones. So now here in configuration you can see, no, I'm not going to show you all configuration now. I'll just quickly go back to my Zoom, again go back to app, the marketplace, and Zoom meetings and recordings. Okay, here I'm going back there to Zoom. As you can see, it's installed, it's pre-approved, which means I've given it permission to view the recordings on the Zoom cloud server, manage the recordings and user information as well. Now here manage, when I click, I can uninstall the app and I can also configure the YouTube for Zoom connections. So what is it? Now this is connected, these have to be connected. Okay, I'm giving it a different configuration here, saying delete the recordings in Zoom after it's uploaded to YouTube, which is fair enough. Otherwise your Zoom cloud space is going to get occupied. Suppose if it's more than one club, let's say 3 to 4 clubs using the same account, and all of the recordings are going onto a Zoom cloud server, then it's going to take a lot of space there. So it's better to delete it once it's uploaded to your YouTube channel. Upload only my webinar recordings, otherwise even the chat and the audio, whatever is there, can also get uploaded. So I'm just going to keep these two things. Yes, there's one more, which is recording private, if you want to keep it as private. But most of us want to keep it as public, so I'm not taking this up here. I'm going to close this here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a Zoom meeting. Before I take this further, I'll just open up. Yeah, this is open. So, okay, I'm going to start a Zoom meeting here. Go to home and say new meeting. Okay, it's connecting now. In this meeting, I'm going to I'll start the recording to the cloud. and I'm going to share the screen. And I'm going to share a PowerPoint presentation on my Mac. Okay, suppose I'm just doing this as a part of the meeting, and then I stop the share. And I also stop the recording. And I'm ending the meeting now. Okay, once the meeting ends, I'm going back to Zoom home screen, going to meetings, and going to record it. You can see that my meeting has not been uploaded, the recording has not been uploaded yet here. So I'll just refresh this until that happens, which is going to take me some time. I probably would have to edit this. Yeah, it's here, the recording. So I'm just going to open the recording on the Zoom cloud. This is the recording on the Zoom cloud. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube channel of my club. Yeah, this is my club thing. Here I'll just be going into your videos. Okay, can you see here? It's pending, so it's directly come in here. So all these videos that you're seeing here have been uploaded directly from the Zoom cloud server to the YouTube server. Well, now it's ready. As you can see here, this is what I have done. I'm just going to open this video. You can change it's the rest is the regular editing that you need to do. So new start Zoom to YouTube video, and then whatever description you have to give, the thumbnails and so on and so forth. After I save it, I go to play this. So you can see my YouTube video here, right? So the Zoom recording directly from the server has been uploaded to the YouTube channel. Now what else can you ask for without me downloading and uploading it once again? So it's all in here, as simple as that. Close. Can you see this recording does not exist? Once it is uploaded in the YouTube channel, here from your Zoom, it vanishes off. Kind of, it's deleted because I configure it that way in the marketplace.